Hi guys! So today is a bit of a manic day. We have three events. We need to buy some shoes, not for me, for Weather. And first we're running to my sister's house, going to go see Ray and give him some Naruto merch I bought him from Comic Con and my old vlog camera. Yes, the boy is that old now, guys. Not to vlog, he's going on a school trip and he wants a camera. So quickly gonna run, have lunch with them. Then I'm just gonna be running today. This is a running around vlog. It's the best aunt in the world. Nice. Okay, got my nails done really quickly, waiting for Vibs to come. I haven't had my nails done in a while. Wanted to do a manicure, pedicure, but there is no time because we have to find his shoes. So till he gets here, I'm quickly looking and shortlisting because I'm the stylist in charge as always. Who's this cool dude?
Get a life.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. That one down there. This is what I shortlisted. Here, down here at the back, the lace house.
I find this to be more versatile.
They're both versatile and that's boring. This is fun right now. Okay, Sir has finished his shopping in 5 seconds. That's
Excuse
how
me,
we
why are you
roll.
calling me sir?
Because you're my client today. I was the stylist.
Oh, yeah.
I had shortlisted your
you did
style, and
well.
you just picked that style. And I mean, of course, there was a moment of doubt as always, and
Yeah, it's good to second guess your choice and then
go with
eventually
it.
go with it.
And now we are off to do 3 events.
It's called an event run.
It's called an event run, is it?
Yeah.
Better run when you hear that. I said run when you hear that. Better run when you hear that. I said
Run when you hear that. Better run when you hear that. I said
run when you run when you hear that. I said
Okay, event number 1 done. Now we are going from Worli to Kala Ghoda.
Goda?
And yes, to Kala Ghoda, and then we are going to
Coming back to
Breach Candy. Yay! Thank you.
I have something.
I'm definitely having some levers. Okay, 11 I'm saying.
11, 10, 9, 8,
Event number
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, I have finished. What have we finished? I'm so lost now. Finished event number 2, and now we are going back from Kala Ghoda to Breach Candy for event number 3.
how do I look after 2 events?
Like you've been to 2 events, and you smell like you've been
I
to 2
smell like I've been to 2 events.
second floor.
I think it's here. I don't know.
Oh, there's another floor. It's around.
Thank you. I am back. I'm knackered, hungry, eating some ragi chips because I have to start the podcast in 30 minutes. Yeah. And so is here. Hi, sir. What did you do today? Did you do masti? Did you eat some chicken leg? Chicken leg khase? It is almost 12 o'clock. Just ate my dinner and now just quickly checking and finalizing um, tomorrow's video, which you guys are going to see, which is all about taxes, and I hope that will help you guys in March, which is quite hopefully a helpful video for you guys. So yeah. And Excel sheets for different things. Now this is something again that really helps you keep a track of. Okay, so I have just showered. It is about 1 a.m. Just putting my Laneige sleep mask, because today is the best time to do it when your like skin is dehydrated, it's tired, and it's been a while. So a lot of you are probably wondering like why would I go for so many events, or why would you do something like this? So now this is not something that happens every day, you know, like I feel like I say no to most events unless they're brands that I work with or you know want to work with, or I like what they stand for. But now there's a whole thing of actually like people hosting events. So 2 of the 3 events that we went for today were hosted. One was hosted by Miss Malini, and one was hosted by Rian, and I feel like I've known both of them for so long, and it's all about relationships. I mean, a lot of the content creator industry works, you know, on relationships, and to me, relationships are really important. So even if it means I have to come from Worli, go to Kalagoda, go back to Breach Candy, come back to Kolaba, I feel like it's okay to do it one day because, you know, those relationships mean something, and our friendships go a long way. Also with events in general, I think in this whole creator space, events are a great way to like network with people in PR or the brands, and that kind of, you know, results in eventual like partnerships and collaborations and things like that. Because if you don't really like one-on-one meetings don't happen that often, at least not post-COVID. So I feel like this is kind of like part of work, like a part of work that doesn't pay you but may result in paid work, or is you know, relationship building and yeah, stuff like that. I don't know, it's too late, I'm too tired, I don't know what I'm saying. Gotta wake up early tomorrow because we are shooting tomorrow as well. By the time you guys watch this vlog, I will probably be in Singapore, or I will be back from Singapore. It is too late for me to calculate. So yeah, I've got to shoot some stuff and bank some stuff and whatever. So yeah, right now I'm gonna just crash. Good night. Good morning, good afternoon, good nothing. Today is not a good day. So everything I had planned has gone fully like faltu, basically. My videographer sadly got chicken pox, so we had to cancel the shoot in the morning. It is about 2:30 in the afternoon. My dad's been unwell. He woke up with like a cough and, you know, body ache and the usual. Everybody in Bombay seems to have it. So yeah, the morning has just been meetings and figuring out stuff and how I'm gonna bank content before I leave. And now I also have to sort out this stuff because I'm gonna have to separate the parents so that both of them don't get sick. And we have an event tonight, so it's an eventful day. But before we do anything else, we gotta eat some lunch. We've got some homemade noodles today. Laundry, all my stuff, more laundry that needs to be put in the cupboard, and then I have to say bye-bye to this room. Okay, this makes me super emotional. These are all my granddad's cufflinks. Trevor needs a pair of cufflinks for tonight, so I dug into his box because he wore a lot of suits. And yeah, this This was all his. These are just a few of his cufflinks. These are my favorite. Look at how pretty these are. So my grandpa was like a proper suit man, and these are just a few of his cufflinks that I had kept, like, you know, just we gave away a lot of stuff because he has like a zillion ties, as you guys have seen in that cupboard when I cleaned it. But yeah, he was so fond of this stuff. Like, he had so many of these, and I'm so excited and happy that Vaibhav's wearing one of his cuffs tonight. Like, he's gonna be so happy. Okay, so I just tried to film a get ready with me of this look. There are massive light flies that are coming everywhere. I'm sweating like a pig, which is why I had to put on the fan. So if you've got bad audio on this, I'm sorry. But I gotta get ready, get into my gown, and head to the event now. It's been a crazy, crazy day, as you know. But we will get there. Should have taken my chappals to leave in the car for the way up.
Mini skirt on, take my body in glitter. Platform sneakers, all the boys want a picture. Two foreign cars, I make rich look richer. Save your breath, baby, I'm not going home with ya. Mini skirt on, take my body in glitter. Platform sneakers, all the boys want a picture. Two foreign cars, I make rich look richer. Save your breath, baby, I'm not going home with ya. Mini skirt on. Cause I make rich look richer. Save your breath, baby, I'm not going home with y'all.
Guys, look at this hot mama. Don't be embarrassed, yeah. Who remembers Sukanya from the Style Swap video? All her clothes are coming to me. Red Riding Hood in a tux, wearing my grandfather's cuffs. Looking pretty sharp.
Yeah, they worked out really well though.
I feel so lucky that God gave me you. You lift up everyone around. I can't believe what I found. Manon, will you take my hand? Just smile and say, catch me if you can.
Back and in the old room with my old roommate. It feels so weird to be in this bed. I haven't slept in this bed in really, really long, and this is why I kind of keep this bed around in cases like this where we want to kind of separate the parents. So if they find like they're too far from the loo, then there's still a bed here to sleep for the two of us, Rumi and me. Just transferring all my footage from the get ready with me. And just like, yeah, scratching so because I went out, and that's a bad girl, right? Naughty girl, naughty mama. You good, Bobby? Yeah, back from Gigi's store. The new store looks fantastic. He's a real artist. I mean, if you look at the latest collection, it's unreal. So you will see obviously clips in this vlog, and it's just so lovely. Now, yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. Realize this tiny little single bed is really small for Mars, me, and the snuggle pillow. I don't know how we're going to make it through, but I think we'll survive one night. What do you guys think? What do you think, Mars? Are we gonna be cozy with Mama? Morning, folks. Today is a new day. I started the day with going to my accountant for my tax work, and then I walked into Zara and I walked out with nothing. I have self-control. Hey. But yeah, quickly running home, going to sort some stuff out, and then I have a very special date in a bit, which I will tell you about in a bit. But yeah. Okay, peeps. So we are really quickly going to go get a quick root touch up, and then I will see you. This is the before, and you will see after. Ta-da! Hair is done. What a huge difference just doing my roots and getting like a blow dry makes. Like, look at that. Now we are quickly running to my sister's house, and then we're going to go for the John Legend concert, guys. Actually, she was supposed to be taking Zayn for the concert, but then apparently kids are not allowed, so she's taking her first kid.
If you know it, I need you to sing along. I need some help. If you sing it with me, then I'll sing it. Deal? Run and tell your mom. John Legend!
So good to see you tonight. Tonight. I want to be the best you ever had. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfection. Give your all to me. Keep on walking, yeah. Thank you, everyone. Good night. Thank you, right now. Thank you so much. Let's have a great night. Thank you.
Mazu, John was great last night. You missed a good concert. Okay, peeps. Yesterday was so much fun. John Legend was amazing. It was just him and the piano, and man, it's one of the best concerts I've ever been to. So I'm glad that Zayn was too young. Also, now this is not a mess. This is me packing. That's my packing list for my toiletries, and these are my current options. I'm very organized, guys. We are going on a trip, and you are probably gonna see this vlog when I'm back from the trip because I'm gonna have to edit it and stuff. Yeah, manic packing and. As usual, trying not to overpack, but yeah, we're gonna get somewhere. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end this vlog here because I'm gonna start a trip vlog after this. So you guys are gonna see the Singapore vlog soon after this. So this is where the Mumbai vlog ends. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment below with your favorite part from the vlog, and I will see you guys soon. As always, every Monday and Friday. I don't know why I say it, but I will see you soon. Bye.